Well, it is at that magic time that Bobby Fletcher always talks about. It's 12:17, 2 minutes past 12:15, when it all breaks loose.
That's the time.
That's the
I
time.
have not heard that
And
before.
it is amazing how many times on Friday night to Saturday morning that, boom, there's something big that happens at 12:15.
I guess it makes sense.
Is that, what color was that van right there?
That?
Yep.
Red?
Let's pull over.
Looked red.
KXX 025.
He went into the speedway.
You did, okay.
Should we go around?
I think we should turn around so we don't lose sight of it. Just in case it's that one
Looks like it's Illinois.
from the shootout.
I thought that was Scooby-Doo in the bunch.
It's starting another squad. I've got 2 cars that were chasing this car and they're circling back to where I'm at.
It's kind of a reddish orange, maybe even over there.
Oh, is that it right there?
No, over here.
Oh,
That's the one you were talking about, right?
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Let's back up here. You're going to get on the air, huh?
All right. It's going through now.
Guys, we got the van that tried to head on Fletcher after the orange last weekend. KXX 025 at the Speedway, Maryland and Arkwright.
On the way.
Looks like he's gonna get gas. Do we want to ID him?
I think we want to get them blocked in. Let's wait for them to get here.
Okay.
Okay, they are pulled in at the easternmost gas pump, facing south towards the Speedway.
Copy that. Coming from the LEC.
He had like 3 guys bail out of this,
Oh,
and they almost
okay.
head on him. It was
312 LEC in Old Mill.
Alright, maybe 2 minutes.
when they get
94.
when they get here. Let's pull along these pumps right here and just block them from the back.
So look, this is 3150 Lexington Avenue North, Carbon 2.
We are set up to be able to block him from the back if somebody can take him from the front. This is just a stop and ID, however, at this time. There's no pickup or anything.
Should I just pull in like I'm getting gas?
26 changes to a juvenile, please.
Copy that.
It's a window van, full size, Ram 1500.
He's going.
Driver is going inside. Black male, looks 25 to 30. White muscle shirt, faded blue jeans, wearing spectacles, eyeglasses.
Not seeing any other heads in there. Can you see anything on the side view?
No. I can't even, I don't think it even has a mirror on this side.
Do we want to just wait till he comes out?
I'm gonna shoot up Payne. Come from the south.
Yeah, probably come up Arkwright from the south and stop just south of the station. We'll wait to stop it when the driver comes out and gets in.
I'm just passing east right now.
Dispatch to 305. I'm exiting Maryland 35 now, so about 30 seconds. I'll probably just hang out on Maryland. Dispatch to command. Just a little bit to the west, if you got a better plan. Do we still need flight?
the instant he gets back in, we'll pull up to his rear bumper, and then you all can come in and just block his front.
There's a car stalled on our trade. It's gonna make it hard to get in there, but I'm ready to get there.
Oh yeah, look.
Just ready to.
Copy that.
He definitely didn't look hinky. Like he was nervous or anything.
Mm-hmm. I don't think he made us at all. Oh boy. He just got on the phone.
9172 are out. 369 clear assist with east and 168.
23 minutes.
Is that red one there, Patrick, in front of you?
Correct. And I don't know if somebody's watching the live, but somebody just called him right now.
There.
05, whoever's down at the school, if you want to check, the drone's picking up a heat signature somewhere in that school parking lot.
2970.
That's worth checking. Couple of yards, looks like there's a street sign that's down, I think where the signature is.
That's what?
325.
325.
I don't remember the call location, but can you just note 1575 roof, please?
Okay.
I don't know if he was pointing at the
321.
gas pump for the
Just your
attendant or pointing at us.
321.
1739.
Well, we will find out.
Security. So Jeremy
We're just
Taylor,
gonna do a casual ID.
Yeah, this is gonna be a real casual
24 minutes.
ID, and
Picking it up in the park area? Or
see if we have reason to get in the van.
Give you too much more than that.
Sounds good. We'll just move on your mark then. You guys, me and Odegaard, on the west side of
Is
the
that
gas
him
station.
coming out the door?
It's probably gonna put gas in, so we'll just have you. We're gonna want to talk to him.
He's out.
He's out now. He's walking towards the van. Hold on. I think he's gonna maybe help these guys. Okay, come on and move in. Move in.
Should I light him up too?
There were 3 juveniles I had contact with at 30.
As soon as they pull in, let's do that.
$220 cleared on the cat. 212, 223 coming.
Copy 27.
One 83 traffic.
Just 183, go ahead.
Northbound Snelling at Lydia. David Williams Zebra 044.
Heavy. Sun, Lydia.
Copy. I've hired Jackson. Calling in from
212.
Copy.
276 in traffic.
223, I didn't get a chance to light it up. It went out to Pennsylvania off of
Copy confirm. 6-9. 1746 Woodland Lane on a suspicious black sedan occupied times 6 men with COVID mask driving back and forth circling.
23 copy on the PD.
4469 copy. Void there, Beaver Alpha. 32 minutes.
This one Tango 01.
32 minutes. 3926.
Can you link both mine and 2-4's call together? It's going to be the same thing.
Okay. 30. What substep you accidentally attended to traffic zone? 8196. 96.
Additional info, it sounds like the comp thinks that the suspects went to that address I heard earlier, 257 Windsor Lane.
96 copy, so you can show me a ride at the Goodyear.
Heavy.
Or 478, building secure, if there's close again.
The 30.
One in custody, 38 minutes. I copy en route to the alarm at 1151 Wynn Avenue, audible covering room 109, concession door in motion. Can I get a response to that? 168, copy en route as well at 28 minutes.
Take care. Yep.
He's gonna have that. All right, well, we're back in here. Sorry we were out there for a while. We had a van that was involved in some shots fired last week and apparently swerved at the sheriff as he was driving by, and so we stopped and ID'd the driver. I know this is going to come as a huge shock, but the driver didn't have a driver's license, but he's got no warrants, and so we ID'd him, and he's got someone who's going to come pick up the van for him, and now we know who's driving the van, so that's good info. And then we had some backseaters that pulled up and wanted to take a quick picture with the famous Pat Scott.
They needed Mighty Mike in there too.
So All's well. Little police work, little community service.
158.
Sent the sheriff a picture of the van that almost rammed him last week.
I'm sure he appreciates that. And then, of course, while we were out there, Central got in a chase.
Oh, of course.
I don't know what happened with it because I didn't hear
Central
the
District or Central
District.
Sheriff's? Okay.
So. Now where?